Bharat Biotech is one of the large industrial organizations producing vaccines. And we are not only a manufacturing company, we are also one of the best innovative company in the world. And we are the first company in the world to manufacture typhoid conjugate vaccine to the world. We have been working for COVID-19 vaccine for last 3 months, because the sequence declaration by the Chinese government got delayed. And once they declared, we want to synthesize the gene, and we didn't have much infrastructure in India to manufacture synthetic gene also. So we need to depend on US or China to even to make a synthetic gene. We got the obtaining the sequence gene got delayed a little bit, but we got delayed a little bit in production. But now we are on the game developing the COVID vaccine. Presently, this COVID vaccine, we are collaborating with University of Wisconsin Madison with Professor Yoshiro Kawaoka, who is one of uh, the best influenza vaccine expert in the world, and he also works in University of Tokyo. And we are working with him because we want to build one of the best respiratory vaccine technologies in the world. The vaccine right now is presently undergoing animal testing at Madison, Wisconsin, because we can't even import animals into the country. It's a lengthy process to even to import animals into India for research purpose. So therefore, and also some of the new knockout mice which we want for the research purpose, those are not available for next 1 year to into India. So in view of this, we have now sponsored a research with the University of Wisconsin to do the testing at Madison, Wisconsin right now. The vaccine is testing is going on in the animals. The vaccine will be delivered as a nasal drop. The reason we chose a nasal drop is because the pathogen also enters through nostril or through nose into the mouth, into the lungs. In view of that, if we prefer to go through nasal route itself, will be more effective for controlling the COVID-19. Besides, by giving a nasal, it also gives you the best immunity, which we call mucosal immunity. And that immunity is so crucial for controlling the COVID 19. Third important point is the vaccine can be delivered by even simple Anganwadi worker who are living in a villages. They can even put one single drop on the nostrils or nasal drop, easy to deliver. Like a polio can be given as two drops in the orally. Instead of orally, they can give it to the nasal drop. So that's why we chose some nasal drop as a strategy to give it to the field situations. We do not know whether it is a one-time vaccine or multiple shots, but we assume based on the flu vaccine research, we assume it's a single dose vaccine, single dose in the season. Only after giving a single dose vaccine, we will know whether it is going to be required every year or every 6 months. That will be known only in the future. But right now, we assume that it's going to be a single dose dose vaccine. We do not know the vaccine can be given to pregnant women or not, but certainly this vaccine is so important for adult population right now more than children's. So we are going to be targeting mostly adult population immediately, but certainly we would like to try it in the pregnant lady also. That's one of the part of the research of the always in the clinical research in the vaccine field. In the clinical research, what we do is we take adults population first and then come down to children's. Besides, we also try the pregnant ladies who are also at risk for this sort of problem, and we also try that. But we have to see in the clinical research how it's going to behave, this vaccine. We assume this vaccine not only protecting the COVID-19, but we also part of the strains of the flu or influenza can also be controlled using this platform. It is possible to add even flu vaccine together along with it to control completely the seasonal flu combined with the COVID 19. I think we are in the right now obtaining the permission from the Drug Controller General of India to import some of the cell line and also plasmids, vectors, and constructs from University of Wisconsin Madison, and also Flugen company, which we are collaborating with them. They have all the knowledge of manufacturing this product little bit, so we are going to gain the experience quickly how to scale up the production in Hyderabad, India. We do not know what the demand will be for Telangana and India. By going by the pandemic nature, this is required every citizen of this country requires one dose of vaccine. But we are planning around 300 to 350 million doses of vaccine production as we go along. In case if the pandemic continues further, and even some other manufacturers also can join with this platform and manufacture for the entire country's requirement. And we are willing to partner with anybody who would like to make it available for this country. We are about 1,800 people company, including marketing team, but however we have about 200 people, researchers in the company, including a clinical researcher and also polysaccharide chemistry, viral vaccine, recombinant vaccines, and various different groups of the researchers. So we have one of the largest vaccine research team, probably one of the best in the world.